This video, we are going to learn about how we can create different queries around Solana Rewards API on Bitquery ID. All the saved query links in Bitquery Telegram channel link will be in the description. Navigate to id.bitquery.io and register first as a developer to get free points to run queries. I have already done that, so I'm going to directly jump on the query examples of Solana Rewards API. You guys should use this query builder on the left. It's a very nice tool to build the queries very easily. You just have to select the attributes that you need info about, and you also need where condition to filter the data. I will show you how to use the query builder by building the first query live. We are going to see two example queries around rewards API. First one will be get real-time Solana rewards. Second one will be get rewards for a particular Solana wallet. In first query, we are getting real-time Solana rewards. Firstly, make sure this is EAP, which is our early access program. Select Solana and then rewards. And under rewards, select block and in that hash, height, then slot, then time, and then rewards count. And then select reward. And in that, we are going to select reward type, then post balance, then index, then commission, then amount, and then address. You can run the query and see the response. But firstly, change the query keyword to subscription to get the real time data. You can see the rewards and their addresses, amount, commission, index, post balance, and reward types. Moving on to the second query, we are getting rewards for a particular Solana address. We have put a where condition here, and under that we have specified a reward address as this HNFP address. And this will only give us rewards for this particular address. You can run the query and check the reward address. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.